Today we are making super simple cake in microwave. Here's the coffee mug and here's the spoon for measuring. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of maida. I'm going to put 1.5 of sugar and half spoon. 2 bit of baking powder. Now mix together. 2 spoons of butter. 1 ring. Put 1 tablespoon of milk and mix together nicely. After you're done mixing, put 1 more tablespoon of milk and mix it together. See it mix together. Now put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I'm adding white chocolate chips and brown chocolate chips. Now put it in the microwave. Now it's done. Now yummy cake is ready. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Here. See, this cake is fluffy and soft. Maybe put some sprinkles on top of it. Now it's already ready. I'm so excited to eat it. Bye.